Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will share our top 5 uses for WD-40. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including maintenance, DIY, and other random projects. As a quick note, the WD in WD-40 stands for water displacement. Its primary function is to displace water from materials such as metal. WD-40 is also often used for maintenance and DIY. It is so common that they have a list of 2,000 uses on their website. Here are the top 5 ways which I use WD-40. 1. Displace water from motorcycle parts. While wiping down a motorcycle, WD-40 can help to displace water from the parts. I often use this on the parts that are moving, collect the most dust, or will be exposed to water such as the front fork. 2. Clean a motorcycle chain. WD-40 can be used to clean a motorcycle chain. Just remember to use the proper lubricant. 3. Clean keys and locks. Another way WD-40 can be used is to clean keys and locks. As seen, the key can be sprayed directly. Also, if the door can be held open, the locking mechanism can be sprayed directly. 4. Maintain ratchets and hand tools. WD-40 can help to maintain hand tools such as ratchets. As seen here, although the ratchet may look and work good, WD-40 can help to clean the internal moving parts. With older used tools, WD-40 can help to remove dirt or rust particles away from the surface of the metal. 5. Penetrating oil. WD-40 can be used as penetrating oil to help loosen rusted fasteners. Although rusted fasteners were not available at the time of this recording, we will demonstrate with new hardware. These are the common ways in which I use WD-40. Although there may be alternative products for specific uses, WD-40 is commonly used because it is readily available and relatively inexpensive. Now that I've shared the top 5 ways in which I use WD-40, what are yours? Comment below and let us know. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.